And I don't know if this will help. This is what I'm working on. This little truckler thing. There's the name of it. I'm just trying, I'll give you any information I can to try to help you, help me figure out what I need. This is the motor I'm working on. The air cover that goes here has got 2 bolts. And these wires was just hanging there. So I'm wondering if there's something that goes there. I think this wire, them 2 plug together. I'm guessing. I really don't know. But there's no distributor or nothing on it. And I was wondering, anything you could help me with is greatly appreciated. I'll see if I can get a picture of the coil. I didn't know if they made electronic conditioning in these motors or not. I'm not familiar with them.